my friends, welcome back. If you thought this drone situation couldn't get any more weird, take a listen to what Donald Trump had to say about the drones, specifically over his golf course at Bedminster.
The government knows what is happening. Our military knows where they took off from. If it's a garage, they can go right into that garage. They know where it came from and where it went. And for some reason, they don't want to comment. And I think they'd be better off saying what it is. Our military knows and our president knows.
All right, so we finally have Trump weighing in on this drone situation. It's very interesting, that interview, that press conference he had. For those of you that haven't seen it, I'm just going to kind of ad-lib here, but he was basically saying that the government absolutely knows what these things are. They have known, and he also agrees with the government that they are not foreign. Remember, the government has admitted that these are not us and they are not foreign, but then we have Trump in this press conference saying that he believes that this is the government and he does not know why they are hiding this from us. The interesting part is what happens right after that. He's asked a question about if he was briefed or not on the drones, and his answer is that he is not going to elaborate on that.
Have you received an intelligence briefing on the drones?
I don't want to comment on that.
Have you been
Do you have any reason to think they're...
So in one breath, we have him saying the government should admit it, and then in the next breath, he is saying that he does not want to talk about what he's been briefed on. Now, before you jump down the man's throat, I really think what he's doing here is he's trying to pressure the government into doing the right thing so he does not have to. Now, at this point, we have to admit to ourselves that the government must know what these are. I mean, come on, my friends, we're in the year 2024. When was the last time our government ever admitted that they did not know about something or intentionally put themselves out there to the world, admitting that they have no idea what's flying around in our skies, apparently the most protected country in the world? I don't buy that for a second. So between what Trump is saying here and what the government is saying, basically contradicting itself, one day claiming that these are just airliners being mistaken for drones, and the very next day the same mainstream media outlet admits that the public is still freaking out over these and local officials cannot figure out what is going on. This is an insane situation for any of us to be dealing with or talking about in 2024. That is why I believe this story is manufactured from start to finish, and not only are they surveilling specific areas, but they're also reacting and collecting data on how we are reacting to this. This is going to give them all the data they need to find out what would happen in the case of an actual alien invasion or even an invasion from another country, which by definition would be considered an alien invasion. Don't let them fool you in how they specifically use the English language to get points across. What I would love to know by the end of this situation, and I'm pretty sure we'll get the answer because I can't imagine them just hiding this or making it disappear like we're going to forget about it, because we won't. But it's going to be very interesting when we find out what these were and who made them, because this is not alien technology. These are not aliens. It's some government, likely us, the United States, and eventually they're going to have to tell us what this was all about. We're probably not going to like the answer, but at least we'll be able to start figuring out where these things came from and then in turn find out the actual truth. All right, my friends, I appreciate you all. It's been an insane weekend. I hope you had a good Monday. I have plenty more stuff to cover, so stay tuned and I will talk to you all in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.
I mean, they happen to be over Bedminster.
Will you
Wanna
shoot
know
them
the
down?
truth.
Have you received an intelligence briefing?
They're very close to Bedminster. I think maybe I won't spend the weekend in Bedminster.
Stop right there, my friends. If you have not already, click that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Click all and you will get all notifications from this channel. And trust me, you won't be disappointed.